Hello, I'm Nurul Athar, PMP, CPHMS and RTL certified, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain nurse informatist job descriptions. The nurse informatist function as a knowledgeable practitioner and as a consultant, educator, and evaluator to maintain and improve system services and to mentor clinician user to become better technology consumer. The informatist consistently researches for an implement system and system improvement which allow clinician to provide high quality care in most efficient manner, possibly utilizing technology. Now let's see what is responsibilities. First, primary responsibilities. Participate in selection, implementation and support of clinical systems. Ensure maximum use of efficiency of clinical systems. Provide direct hands-on education and support to staff in use of technology in a manner which promote patient safety and confidentiality. Consistently strive to improve knowledge and skill in development of clinical system and processes. Provide system support to include on-call shift as needed. Next responsibilities, system design and optimization. Perform regular analysis of department workflow and provide recommendation for the automation of manual processes. By directing interacting with department staff on daily basis, perform ongoing assessment of whether technology is meeting with needs of department by enhancing, not impeding workflow. Solicit and respond to user concern about system functionality. Work cooperatively within informatics and information technology governance structure to develop resolution to issue in response to user requests and concern. As a liaison to clinically focused committee, make recommendation for planning and development of clinical systems, assist with development of revision of department policies and procedure to address changes brought out by implementation of technology, develop target target matrix sorry develop targeted matrix which determine system benefit for the user department, including criteria which measure process improvement, gather and analyze information to determine overall system process and process improvement benefit based upon predefined matrix, develop and facilitate use of change management mechanism for system alteration, develop and maintain relationship with vendor which for research and development purpose, attend vendor training as needed, attend vendor user groups and conference, preferably with IT system analysts. IT software upgrade in collaboration with IT system analysts, facilitate adherence to national institutional privacy policies in development of system. Now we'll see the next responsibilities, system selection, implementation and adoption. Identify potential champions for technology, for clinical technology and actively mentor them as a future technology leaders. Participate in efforts to select systems which meet departmental needs in adherence with the guidance aligned with IT strategy. Manage and or participate in systems implementation project per the project management methodology utilized by organization. Collaborate within outside the department to build and or oversee the build of system component, for example, profiles, dictionaries, screen that lend to an integrated system which support the workflow of all users in all departments which will use the technology. Lead an efforts to acquire early buy-in for technology endure at all stakeholder levels, community, executive, management, physician, and users. Continuously engage project and technology stakeholder to facilitate adoption of system processes. Actively participate in testing and validation of departmental systems and component. Develop and maintain documentation for all users of department systems. Report the status of projects and matrix scorecard data to stakeholders. Develop audit tools which determine the level of user adoption technology. Now you see the next responsibility, system support. Serve as the primary liaison between the department, core team and IT in order to resolve system interface problems. Develop, train and oversee implementation of downtime procedure for department. communicate with the staff regarding upcoming downtime, and ensure ready availability of the appropriate tools to support staff during the downtime. Assist in establishment of a collaborative user support framework which addresses hardware, software, and process issues at all times that systems are operational. Provide direct support to end users working within the established support framework that include informatics and IT input. Assume on-call duties for user support on rotating schedule per the established support framework. Develop tools and provide training which allows the greatest level of user autonomy in obtaining necessary reports. Education. Train leadership in use of audit tools and assist in development of mechanisms to identify and address user adoption issues. In conjunction with clinical educators, assist in development of training tools and program for upgrading the skills of the department staff. Lead education efforts and provide direct hands-on training for department staff in the use of computer, hardware, software, and related processes, including adherence to national data privacy laws and security policies of the organization. Now see what qualification is required. Current licensure as RN in the state or country. Practice BSN preferred. BLS certification, minimum 3 years of clinical experience, knowledge and experience with system development lifecycle related projects, knowledge of at least one programming language or as identified by the organization, strong computer skills, proficient with Windows applications, excellent organizational presentation, communication and leadership skills, ability to work effectively individually and as a part of collaborative team, ability to work on several complex issues at the same time, ability to collect, analyze, and present data at various audience levels, excellent customer service skills, professionalism, and ability to manage stressful in situation in a manner that is conducive to finding resolution. Okay, that bring to end up my presentation. I hope you will find this information useful.